Ever wondered how to keep your garden thriving despite harsh drought conditions? Here's a hint. The answer isn't just in your watering can. It's about choosing the right plants. Enter the world of succulents, your drought-resistant garden heroes. So what exactly are succulents and why are they the answer to your drought-related garden worries? Succulents are a type of plant that have adapted to survive in arid conditions. They've evolved with thick, fleshy leaves and stems that store water, allowing them to endure periods of drought. But they're not just about survival. With a myriad of shapes, sizes, and colors, they're also incredibly aesthetically pleasing. Succulents are not just survivors, they're also showstoppers, with their diverse shapes, sizes, and colors. Now that you're familiar with succulents, meet some of the most popular types. The aloe vera, known for its healing qualities, has long, fleshy leaves filled with soothing gel. The jade plant, with its glossy, rounded leaves, is often called the money plant, due to its association with good fortune. The zebra plant sports striking white stripes on dark green leaves, while the echeveria dazzles with its rosette form and vibrant hues. Each of these succulents brings its own unique charm to your garden. Now, how do you care for these drought-resistant beauties? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Succulents thrive with less water and more sunlight than most plants. Watering should be deep but infrequent, letting the soil dry out completely between drinks. As for sunlight, most succulents prefer a good 6 hours of sunshine a day. And let's not forget the soil. A well-draining soil mix is key. With the right care, your succulents can bring life to your garden, even in the toughest of droughts. Ready to embark on your own succulent gardening adventure? Imagine crafting a garden resilient to drought, radiating with aesthetic allure. Seize the day. Start your journey towards a succulent paradise. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Welcome to your own succulent paradise.